Yeah, let's get it. All my kids are bands on me, yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. I'm just trying to get my bread on. I'm with Molly Mall, we got plenty of hoes. Rolling with my team, I don't ball home. Hey, hey, cash on your free.
Yeah, what you say? Lame. Yeah, she lame. She don't want to get with the crowd, but it's all cool, good though.
Loosen now, I give my heart to you. Never switch up on you. Girl, that's my only rule. Baby, you gotta loosen up.
I'm giving you one time. I'm looking you right in your eyes. Girl, you blow my mind. But you gotta loosen up.
I give my heart to you. Never switch up on you. Girl, that's my only rule. Baby, you gotta loosen up.
I'm giving you one time. I'm looking you right in your eyes. Girl, you blow my mind.
Hey, Keisha, I'm like, hey, it's nice to meet you. First time I saw you, booty gave me feeling. Please believe it, shout it. I know how to treat you. If your man don't do you right, you better leave him. Yeah.
Fuck a nigga, we gon' run it up. Hit them all and get you something. If your nigga have a thing, I run it up. Fuck it, I keep the phone. Man, we gotta tighten up. I mean, we stand for something. See how you fucking with a penny, you ain't want.
Everybody go ahead and eat real good. Love these rainy days though. Live for those days. Yep. I can eat pretty good right now. Oh, these people don't look at me crazy though. Finished meal. Finished meal.
He got my food.
She went through the food, dog. She went through that food.
Did he tell y'all that I have a PhD?
It's crazy.
That I have a PhD.
It is crazy.
I drive a Beamer.
Crazy.
You drive what?
I drive a Beamer.
The lies you tell.
I graduate my PhD in May. May 11, 2017. Getting my PhD.
What's up? I really ain't got nothing really to say. Just want to post something. It really ain't too much content this week, but cause I ain't really do nothing too much this week. But I just got off of mad, and you know I took a couple L's. But hey, you gonna lose, you gonna win some. But hey, that's just come with the game, man. But man, I'm just chilling, man. March Madness is this week, so who y'all got on y'all bracket? Who y'all got to go, you know, win it all? Who y'all got, you know? You know, I got Team Duke. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. But yeah, man, I'm about to chill, man. I'm a little mad I lost the game, but hey, it's all good. I ain't even tripping though. I ain't even tripping. Not even tripping though. I'm not even tripping, man. But yeah, man. You see, ain't nobody here but me. That's pretty much it. So I mean, I'll continue to just chill today, man. I might get back on the game. If I don't, then that means I just didn't feel like it, man. But man, my channel, I'm getting more views, man. I just need y'all to subscribe. Y'all gotta subscribe so when I post, y'all can have the notifications. Let's go, man. Let's go. Support me. Come on, man. I'm getting better. Let's do this. Dang. But that'd probably be all for this week. I gotta, had to post something. I didn't want to just leave y'all like that without posting something. But yeah, it's been really raining here in Georgia a lot. I ain't complaining. Whatever it do, it does, I'm not complaining at all. But yeah. But I'll probably get back at y'all later on this week. I'll be posting another maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Watching Dub Nation right now. It's currently 11:13 at night. On this Tuesday night, March 14th. Let's do it. Watching this game. It's a pretty good game. Versus the Philly 76ers. But we need to get back to our winning ways, man. We tripping right now. We like this. But yeah, man. That's probably all I'm gonna do tonight. Then hit them sheets, go to bed. You already know. I ain't got nothing to do. Let's go defense. Let's get it. That's Dub Nation. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. Woo-wee. Good workout session. I feel good. Get my day started today on this Wednesday evening, March 15th. March Madness is this week. Started last night, so I feel pretty good. Probably about to play a little Madden, get in the shower, get freshened up, and just chill. You know what? This video is so boring. I just not muted the TV. I'm about to go play the game. I'm about to go play Madden and 2K. I'm not about to keep watching this. It is boring. They keep talking about the same thing over and over and over. My Golden State Warriors, we're going to be all right. Forget LeBron James. We not worried about that, man. Let's do this. Let's go. I'm ready for the playoffs. I'm out here at my granddad's house in the storage. As you clearly can see in this house, so much stuff in here don't make sense, man. It's crazy how much stuff out here. But, yeah. Doing a little work. Yeah, I see it. I'm finna get it. Nah, I got it. Nah, it ain't that big. I'm telling you. I know it. All this stuff. Shoot.
You get mad when you don't do it.
I mean,
That's
goodness.
how we gonna get out of stuff? Just leave it alone. I said, okay.
She got mad. Oh my God, man.
Go on, honey. Get shit on that damn. Damn, bro.
Hey. Ooh, wee.
Yeah.
There's just so much stuff in here.
Damn, so what problem is this stuff?
I mean, I've been intending to come out here and get some of this stuff.
You put on Facebook, who gonna come to the damn yard? Say,
Right.
yeah, oh.
Sorry I didn't have that much content. I mean, the week is not over. I'm gonna post probably tomorrow, but for this vlog, sorry I didn't really have that much. But I'll be sure to be extra lit the rest of this week, like my last vlog was. But I just didn't want to not post anything for y'all. So let's do this.